Hello and welcome back. Today's video is a follow-up on my Sig Sauer P238. A couple things I want to talk about it. Since my last video, I do apologize on my last video. It was kind of cheesy. I was kind of excited about getting that out because I was really excited about the weapon. And it is a very, very cool weapon indeed. I definitely do enjoy it. See, we got little for the inside of your trousers. Put your clip in there, and I got thing for two more clips that you mount onto your belt. So definitely for concealed weaponry right there. Very nice indeed. But that's not what we came here to talk about. We actually come here to talk about the gun. As I stated, this is a follow-up. Before I do that, let me just double check. I should have did this off camera to make sure we are indeed secure. Should be. Yep. We got nothing in the chamber. And we have no clip. So we are good to go with this demonstration. It's not really a demonstration. It is a talk. And that's what's happening. Okay, so since last time I done that video, I actually went out and shot this camera. Whoops. I mean this gun. Not a camera. One hell of a camera though. Definitely a whole new meaning to let me take your picture. I've done a lot of photography. I don't mean to get sidetracked, but it's about shooting, I reckon. I've done some. I've done a few funerals. That's kind of weird. I think, however, one of my odd ones was an actor who was Abraham Lincoln, and I did headshots on Lincoln. So that's it's kind of weird. Really good shots too. Anyway, follow up on the gun. Took this down to the range and fired it. And I'm going to show you some video here of me and the wife shooting the gun. Primarily the wife, but I'm in there once, I think.
One chamber.
Yeah. All right, now that was kind of cool, wasn't it? You did see that one jam right there. That was really the only issue had out of the gun. I was told when I bought it, I asked what kind of recoil the gun had, and I was told slightly, I guess I can get it closer to you, slightly more than a 22. Well, I found that not to be true. I found it to be probably equivalent to a 9mm. Definitely do like the weapon. Next thing I want to talk to you about in reference to the gun, of course I didn't bring it out here with me, it's in reference to the gun case, but I do have pictures of the gun case, which I'm going to pop up right here. You could see there is a manufacturer flaw with my case. As you can see here, the pins fall out very easy, and first time I took the gun down to the range to shoot it, before I even left my front door, the thing started to fall apart. Luckily the weapon did not fall. I was able to capture it before then, so I had to put it in a bag and carry it out. Immediately contacted Sig Sauer the following Monday. They asked for photographic proof, which is what you've just seen. I sent them to them, and gosh, probably within minute, they said, okay, not a problem. New one shipping out now. It's like, wow, that is pretty doggone awesome. Received the new case in about a week, and unfortunately, the same issue. What happened is the ends of the rod are not capped. Are only capped on the inside, but not capped on the outside. Therefore, the rods are very easy to work their way out, and it makes the case also insecure. You can access the case very easy by removing those rods and have access to the weapon. A poor part on Sig Sauer's craftsmanship on the gun. You would think that for the kind of money that you pay for it, the weapon, which was $1,000, they would definitely ensure their cases were fantastic, and unfortunately not so much. Otherwise, they're a good case. They're comparable to others that I've worked with. Would I buy another Sig Sauer regardless of the case? Yes, I would. That's not a problem. You could buy cases, no problem. The thing here in California, you do have to ensure that your case is DOJ approved, Department of Justice approved, and they have to be secure and locked. A lot of goofy, retarded laws here in the state of California. Cannot wait to depart the state and move to our desired state of choice, where the gun laws are way free. I also want to get a BMG 50 caliber. That is going to be nice. Can't own one here, but I will there. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do appreciate it. Fantastic gun. I highly recommend them. It's a real beauty. Top notch. They have a good following. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this update. Catch you in the next video. Big eye.